Meaning of hi-hat.
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 Hi-hat. The term hi-hat typically refers to a type of cymbal used in drum kits and percussion ensembles. It consists of two cymbals mounted on a stand, operated by a foot pedal that allows the player to open and close the cymbals to produce a distinctive chick or splash sound. The hi-hat is an essential component of modern drumming and is commonly used in a variety of musical genres, including rock, jazz, and pop. With its ability to produce a wide range of expressive sounds, a hi-hat has become an indispensable tool for drummers and percussionists worldwide.